Okay, everybody see that? Okay, so the first thing I do is I go to my ATM strategy over here, and I choose something that's closely aligned to what I want to achieve. Now this is here. I would just left click,
Order filled.
and I would get in by left clicking. Now, once that happens, you come over here either on the chart trader and you move this to the target where the green line happens to be, and you do the same thing here on the stop, which is actually a little bit higher.
Target filled.
So I actually hit the target. But you move it to where the stop happens to be, which is up here. If you can see that right there. So to place a trade, you left click, or you could use market if it's above, or because we don't want to have a bad fill. Sorry, it happened a little bit quicker than anticipated. Let me turn this on here. And I also like to do something like this. That's how I like to have my chart. Like that. All right, there's another signal here, 56.94.50. So again, to demonstrate, we'll do this. You see how I have it a little bit higher, right? And now I can, well, it did it automatically. It got me filled just a tick higher. I then move this to the target. I move this to the stop, and I expand this out a little bit. I know Leroy has the charts kind of shrunk, right? He shrinks them up a little bit, but I like to have them a little bit more expanded, especially when you're in a trade, so you can see what's going on. Troy, you good with that? Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators.